Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and let's get straight into this video. This right here is the 12-hour Ethereum chart. And right now, at the time of recording this video, the price of Ethereum is testing support, coming in at around 2.9k approximately, because we have this 38.2% Fibonacci level coming in at around 2,950, but we have this range of support in the VP-VR indicator going down towards around 2.9k. But if the price of Ethereum confirms a break below 2,900, then we could find some support at that 50% level coming in just underneath 2.8k. But more importantly, we have a massive range of support at the golden pocket, which is the most important Fibonacci level, coming in at around 2,600, which is also where the biggest cluster of volume is coming into play in the VP-VR indicator, which is very interesting. And if you're looking at our trend-based indicators on the 12-hour Ethereum chart, first of all, you can notice that in the parabolic stop and reverse indicator, we have seen a couple false signals over the past few days. And usually when we see this type of thing happen in this indicator on this time frame, when it starts flipping to bullish and then to bearish and then bullish again and then back to bearish, that just basically means that we're not really in a strong trend in either direction at the moment, just in the shorter term, which simply means we're looking more neutral above anything else. Because we did see something similar in the market back during around the middle of March, where the parabolic stop and reverse indicator flipped from bearish and then to bullish and then to bearish and then back to bullish. But during that time period, the price of Ethereum was essentially trading sideways, as it has been doing over the past few days. And if you're looking in the 12-hour Ethereum RSI, right now it's technically in a shorter term uptrend, which is usually more bullish than bearish according to history. But if you're looking in the 12-hour Ethereum MACD, right now we have just confirmed another bearish cross, which is obviously a bearish signal. And like I just explained with the parabolic stop and reverse indicator on this time frame for Ethereum, the same thing can be said about the MACD. Basically, during the more neutral time periods, we see a lot of bullish and bearish false signals. And so in order to tell what the next actual price trend will be on the 12-hour Ethereum chart, ideally we need to wait for all three of these indicators to be aligned in the same direction, because during those time periods, that is when we actually see the bullish and bearish trends in the price of Ethereum. And if you zoom out to the 3-day Ethereum chart, technically speaking, the price of Ethereum on the much larger time frames is still in an uptrend, forming higher lows and higher highs. And this remains the case while the price of Ethereum is above this ascending line of support, coming into play at around 2.6k to 2.7k. And nothing much has happened on this Ethereum chart since yesterday. So if you missed yesterday's Ethereum update video, I'll definitely recommend you checking that one out, because everything I said in that video about this 3-day Ethereum chart is still valid today. And in fact, the same can be said about the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, but I'll quickly summarize it again in this video. So this right here is the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame. And yesterday we did experience a short-term bounce after running into this level of support, coming in at around 0.0732 Bitcoin per Ethereum approximately. But if you simply look at the price oscillators, looking at the daily RSI and the daily MACD, they are still both trending in the bearish direction after forming that bearish divergence, which is technically more bearish than it is bullish. And for any of the beginners out there, when Ethereum is pulling back against Bitcoin, that isn't necessarily a bad thing for Ethereum against the US dollar. It just means that Ethereum is underperforming against Bitcoin. So essentially Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. And this Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart goes hand in hand with the Bitcoin dominance chart, because they are inversely correlated, which basically means they do the opposite thing. And right now, the Bitcoin dominance is still holding above this important level of support, coming in at around 41.3% Bitcoin dominance. And as I've been saying almost every day over the past few weeks, while the Bitcoin dominance is above that level of support, Bitcoin is actually looking quite strong compared to the altcoins. And we would only really see another significant rally in the altcoins compared to Bitcoin if the Bitcoin dominance sees a confirmed break below that level of support that I just mentioned. But for the time being, we have an uptrend forming in the daily RSI for the Bitcoin dominance, and the same can be said about the daily MACD as well, which is technically more bullish than bearish for the Bitcoin dominance. But anyway, this was just a quick update video today, because nothing much has happened since yesterday, and I will not waste your time. And if you appreciate that, please make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, if you are serious about making more money in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely made for you. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.